Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is absenteeism. 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 Absenteeism is a noun that refers to the habit of frequently being absent from work, school, or other responsibilities without a valid reason. It is often used to describe a persistent pattern of absence that can have negative consequences. Here are some examples. Example number 1. Excessive absenteeism may result in disciplinary actions or termination in the workplace. Why absenteeism use? In example number 1, absenteeism is mentioned in relation to the potential consequences employees may face, such as disciplinary actions or termination, if they are excessively absent. Example number 2, chronic absenteeism in healthcare workers can lead to staffing shortages and compromise patient care. Why absenteeism use? In example number 2, here, absenteeism is mentioned in the context of healthcare workers being frequently absent, highlighting the potential consequences for staffing and patient care. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.